In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to set up an email campaign in Systeme.io. Whether you're a seasoned marketer or just dipping your toes into email marketing, this step-by-step guide will walk you through the process, ensuring you can create effective campaigns with ease. Let's get started by heading over to your Systeme.io dashboard. This is your control center, where all your projects and tools are accessible. Once you're on the dashboard, take a look at the upper menu and locate the Emails tab. Give that a click. This section is dedicated to everything email related, from creating newsletters to managing your subscriber lists. Next, within the Emails section, you'll find a submenu. Click on Campaigns. This is where you'll manage all your email campaigns, both current and new. Once you're in the Campaigns area, look to the top right corner for the Create button. Click on it to start setting up a new email campaign. Now it's time to give your campaign a name. This should be something that clearly identifies the purpose or theme of the campaign, making it easy for you and your team to recognize later on. Type in your chosen name in the provided field. The next step is to enter the sender's email address. This is the email address that your recipients will see when they receive your message, so make sure it's professional and recognizable to your audience. Type in the appropriate email address in the designated field. After that, you'll need to provide a description for your campaign. This helps you and your team understand the campaign's goals and content at a glance. Take a moment to write a brief yet informative description in the provided space. Now that you've named your campaign, set the sender's email, and added a description, you're all set. Your email campaign is now ready to be populated with emails that you can send out to your subscribers. Remember, the key to a successful email campaign is not just in the setup, but also in the content and timing of your emails. Be sure to craft engaging emails that provide value to your subscribers and schedule them for optimal times to maximize engagement. With these steps, you should be well on your way to creating effective email campaigns in Systeme.io. The platform is designed to be user-friendly, but don't hesitate to explore and experiment with its features to find what works best for your needs. Thank you for watching and happy campaigning.